Welcome guys! Today we are going to unbox BAJAJ VACCO Radiant Electric Coil Hot Plate 1250 watts PCW REG in black color. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before unboxing, let's quickly take a look at the box for some information. Firstly, it is made in India. This multi-purpose electric coil plate is energy efficient. Time to unbox. Let's see the main product. The unit has heat regulating knob. This sleek and trendy coil hot plate is powder coated, rust resistant and shock proof. It has insulated robust steel body, complete with connecting lead and plug heat control 3-step rotator regulator switch. It is fitted with ISI marked Theeta coil heater. It is made of heavy duty steel body. This coil is free of any pollution, smoke or hazards of microwave cooking. It is designed for faster and safer cooking. Any metal vessels, tawa pot, griddle or fry pan can be placed on this multi-purpose hot plate coil for easy heating and cooking. This hot plate coil retains all the nutrients and essential vitamins in the food, unlike conventional modes of cooking. It has 1.2 meter long connecting cord which ensures its flexibility to move the hot plate easily. It comes with 1 year off-site warranty and lifelong service. If you wish to switch to a healthy way of cooking, then this elegant and portable hot plate coil is perfect for you.